My hair looks good though. I am pleased with that. Oh, I love some hair out of my...
I was waving, I've been waiting for you, boy, and I was drowning. Ooh, I went crazy, I'm going crazy, boy. I found out, let's do it out. Now I'm waving, now I'm waving.
Okay, so I sat down to record pictures, and I wanted to record an eye look, but like I just wasn't as inspired as I felt like I needed to be. So I figured I would just turn on the camera and just start filming. Basically, I'm having issues talking and recording. So right now I'm dusting off my under eye setting powder. So I don't know what I want to do today. So we're kind of just gonna go with the flow. I know Cardi B just came out with that Invasion of Privacy album, but I haven't listened to it yet. I actually been listening to a lot of Gucci lately. You know what album I have low-key been obsessed over though? The Victory Lap album by Nipsey Hussle. I don't know how many people watch my videos that actually know who Nipsey Hussle is. Nipsey Hussle is definitely not like a girly girl type of rapper. He's a Leo that has been through some stuff, and he just tell it like it is, honestly and truly. I wouldn't like I guess categorize myself as like a Nipsey Hussle fan, I guess I am, but I haven't been rocking with him since way back when. Like, okay, Contour, come through today. I think my favorite song on the album is Real Big by him. I don't know, the album really just motivated me. I had to move out of my house the weekend, or my apartment rather, the weekend that the album came. I got everything done in 5 hours. I moved the whole apartment in 5 hours. Yeah, I like Nipsey Hussle. I really don't discriminate when it comes to music either. Like, I really give anything a chance. Gucci Mane's really like made a change in his life, so like he been trying to motivate the kids. But I always liked his stuff. Like, it's interesting trap music essentially. Okay, Contour. I've been trying to figure out how I wanted to do my eyes because I thought I was inspired when I sat down, but I lost it. And I think I lost it just because I got a phone call like at the moment. But I don't know if you guys watch Grownish either, but it's 2 girls on Grownish. Most people think they're twins, but I found out that they weren't twins. My cousin told me. They came out with some new music, but I haven't listened to everything to like, I guess, give full feedback. I guess now I'm gonna go in highlights, or actually, you know what? I'm gonna do blush next. I normally don't do blush, and I'm just doing some slight blush, some pink. I don't know where all this highlight came from. Wow, I really look like I got hit in the face. Like, I'm just gonna keep going. Like, I can't. I think next I'm gonna take my Kat Von D's Alchemist palette. I think this is called the Alchemist palette. I rubbed this off. I've had this for quite some time. I'm gonna take Pink Opal, and I'm gonna dust this on the tops of my cheek, kind of where I put that blush, and we're just gonna hope that, you know, things get better from here. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. And I'm gonna put this in the brow bone, because I really just don't know what I want to do yet. You know what? I've been seeing this girl on Instagram do this thing where basically she like carves her nose out with whatever her blush color is. Like, she does. Like, I feel like I just look stupid. Whatever. We're just gonna go with this. I think I am gonna like carve my nose out just a wee bit more. I don't have any clean brushes. Oh, you know what? I think I'm gonna do like this starburst thing on the sides of my eye. I'm gonna use my coastal shints. I can't talk either. I'm gonna do something strange. I'm gonna start out here. I'm gonna make a C. I think that I need a different pink. I like this little nose situation though. I do like that. So maybe I will just keep going and just hope for the best. Alright, I guess I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Okay, so I'm back and off camera, like I kind of played with a little idea just cause like, I don't know, like I'm just tired of fighting my creative side. For whatever reason, BH Cosmetics stopped selling these like glitter liner things. But they was bomb. I am going to take this yellow liner and incorporate it somewhere in here. Oh, okay, I just figured it out. I'm gonna do some more of these dots, some yellow. I think I should have just stuck with the white, but we've already placed some, so we're deep. As far as lips go, what should we do for lips? We're gonna dive into brows. I'm gonna take the MAC brow pencil and stud, and I'm just gonna do my brows. Do you guys want to see a brow tutorial? And you know what? I'm not even gonna fill them in like how I normally do. We're gonna do a rough fill in. Yeah. Enjoyed having lighter brows, so I would use the Gimme Brow in light to medium. And I still have some left over, so I'm just gonna run that through my brows. When you use the Gimme Brow, they say back comb it because it has those little fibers in it that help you fill in your brow. I love this stuff so much. They have a new formula that's really more lit than this. Now I'm gonna do lashes. I am positive at this very moment that I'm just gonna use these. Look at how big these lashes are. That lash is my eye. I'm gonna place it on my eye, I guess, to measure it. It's a show called Ozark on Netflix that I really like. Ozark is basically about this man who I really can't remember because it's been that long. I can't remember if he was already in a drug cartel or somebody else got him caught up in it, but he's basically doing money laundering for the cartel. And it might not be the cartel, but he's doing money laundering for a drug gang. I don't think it's the cartel, but he's doing money laundering for a drug gang, and he ends up doing pretty decent. My favorite show, wow, this lash looks so crazy. My favorite show is probably Criminal Minds. Definitely Criminal Minds. When I first got Netflix, I watched Criminal Minds from season 1 all the way to the last season 2 times over before I really watched anything else. These is lashes. These is lashes. Okay, and another one of my favorite shows is Bones. I love Dr. Brennan, and dang, I haven't watched Bones in so long. I'm like completely forgetting what homeboy name is. The white boy who she like low-key in love. Scully? That's not his name. That's from X-Files. Wow. I don't know what his name is. But I love Bones. I used to like Charmed. But I haven't watched that show in a really long time. Like I feel like I watched that show when I want something familiar. But I haven't watched that show in a long time. The thing about me though is when I like a show, like that's pretty much the show. Like I'm gonna be watching that show. Like I'm gonna be like ODing on the show.
seen her message, but I ain't gonna check it. I'ma just let it.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have comments, questions, concerns, let me know down below. I'll list all the products that I used in this video in the description box, as well as all my handles. Be sure to keep up with me on Instagram. If you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell and join Team Pink. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
My man is my man, that's your man, hers is